Hi friend, today I'm going to discuss about XPath access. So basically XPath access is used to find the element which are difficult to find using the basic locator which we have in the Selenium like ID name, tag name, linked list or partial linked list. We can create dynamic XPath using this access. So before starting that, let's discuss about basic HTML structure. Okay. Let's consider this tag p id with prg2 as a reference. So under this you will see that there is a ul tag, and under the ul tag there is a li tag. So this ul is a child of and this p tag, and li is similarly child of ul tag. So we have like four child under ul, so four child are there for ul, and for p only one child is there. And if you consider with the reference of p, li is a grandchildren of p. Similarly this p with id prg1, this is like a sibling to this p with the prg2, and this body is a parent to this p with id prg2. So this is like a basic structure of html, like parent, child, sibling. So we will be using this name to locate the element, and this using child, parent, sibling thing is called access in Xpath. So let's go to our Chrome. So I will be using this Facebook homepage to do all the stuff. So let's do its inspect element and press Ctrl F. So suppose I want to locate Suppose I want to locate this form element. Okay, so first locate this form element. So I will write double slash form enter it. I will be locating using I this attribute data text ID. So I have located this form element. Suppose now I want to locate the parent of this element. So the parent of this element is this one, div class 6 LUV, this one. So if you want to locate this one, simply will give one single slash and write parent and double colon and the tag active. Okay, see then I am able to locate the parent of this form. If you give star, you will able to locate all the parent of this form, but we have one parent, that's why I am getting only one. Okay. Similarly, let's locate the child of this form. So this form tag has a lot of children. If you see, like these all are like children of this form. So we'll try to locate all of this. So for that I will give single slash and child double colon, and suppose I want to select all the children, I will give star. So I'm able to see that there are 9 children of this form element. I can locate all the 9. Simply press I am able to locate all the 9 children. Suppose you want to locate only input children, I will simply put input. See, I can see that we are able to find 4 elements. Okay, suppose you want to locate only div children, I will simply write div. Okay. And one thing to notice here, See, under this div that we have another div and input and another tags are there, but we are not going under that when we consider child. We are only taking here the child elements only. Suppose you want to check the grandchildren also, then in that case we will be using that descendant. Okay, so I have used descendant, so now you can see that element count has increased. Now we are able to see 27 element, because now we will be able to locate children plus grandchildren. See, see. So all the children plus grandchildren will be located on this under this form element. Okay. Similarly, suppose you want to locate the all the elements after this form, like this is the form, and you want to look at all the element uh, after this one, like input, div, every element, like till that end. Then in that case, we will be using following double colon star. So we have 238 element after and this form. Look at it, all of them. Similarly, if you want to look at all the elements before this form, you will just have to write preceding, preceding on. Or if you want some specific tag, then you can leave a tag name also, like this. And similarly, if you want to select any one using, we can do indexing. Like suppose I want to select the first one, I will do indexing. Second one, sixth one. Suppose now I want to select all the following sibling element. So I will explain what is following sibling. So, so where is my form element? Yeah. So this is my form element. Okay. So following sibling means that we want to look at all the node which appear after our reference node and whose parent is same as that of reference node. So this the parent of this form element is div. Okay, and so we will be able to look at all the element which has div as a parent. Let me show you following sibling. So you see that I am not able to find any element here because there is no following sibling present. If I close this form, see, so this is the form element and this is the parent of this form. So this is the parent. So you can see that there is no other element under this form. So that's why there is no sibling element for this form. That's why we are able to find 0 only. Similarly, if I use preceding sibling, in that case also you will not be able to find any element because there is no element before this which has parent as this div. That's why we're not able to find any element here also. Okay. Similarly,